Hi students, welcome to our English class. Today let us start our first lesson, first unit, Unit 1, Family. It is about family. From this unit, you will be able to understand the importance of family. See, let us first of all see this picture in this textbook once. See this picture. What do you observe here? There are two images here. Here we can observe two families. One is a small family and there is a big family. A family, we can say that a family, we can observe a family is of two types. One is nuclear family and the other one is joint family. A nuclear family is a small family. It contains only like this: father, mother and the children. Whereas the joint family, the members in the joint family are grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and grandchildren. It is a big family. Nowadays, in the olden days, we can see there were more number of joint families. But nowadays, they gradually decline and the nuclear family has grown up. Because there are so many reasons. All the members in the family are educated, and because of modernization and industrialization and for searching of jobs, all the people in the joint families are coming out of their families and started living individual. So like that, nuclear families have started. Now coming to our lesson, family. In this unit, there were three topics. The first one is the tattered blanket, and the second one is my mother. What is the second one? My mother. And the third one is a letter to a friend. A letter to a friend. So, in this unit 1 family, we are going to cover these three topics. First one, the tattered blanket. Second one, my mother. And the third one, a letter to a friend. Now, today let us discuss about this, the tattered blanket. Before knowing about this lesson, let us learn about the author. The author of this tattered blanket is Kamala Das. Who is she? Kamala Das. Kamala Das is from Kerala. She was born in the year 1932 and she died in the year 2009. Kamala Das was a Kerala writer. She was born in the year 1932 and she died in the year 2009. She was the daughter of a famous Malayalam poet. She also wrote many poems. She was a great poet, short story writer, and a novelist also. She was a novelist also. She wrote many novels, short stories, poems in English and Malayalam. And she also awarded so many prizes like Kent Award for English writings from Asian countries. And the Sahitya Academy Award, These are some of the awards that she got. So, the author of this tattered blanket lesson was Kamala Das. She was a Malayalam writer. She was born in the year 1932 and died in the year 2009. She was a great poet, short story writer and novelist. She also got so many awards, and some of them are Kent Award for English Writings from Asian countries, Sahitya Academy Award, etc. And the actual name of Kamala Das is Madhavi Kutti. The actual name of Kamala Das is Madhavi Kutti. Actually, this tattered blanket was written by Kamala Das in Malayalam, and later it was translated into English by K.M. Sharif. It was translated into English by K.M. Sharif. Now, let us learn about the tattered blanket. Okay. See the title, The Tattered Blanket. Blanket means, we all know that blanket means a bed sheet. What is that? Yeah, bed sheet. Now, tattered means is the past tense. Tattered means torn. That means the story is about the torn bed sheet. But is it really completely about torn bed sheet? Not at all, because the torn bed sheet, the complete lesson is not about torn bed sheet. Kamala Das, in this lesson, Kamala Das was trying to expose the bitter truths of life. The bitter truths of life in a simple manner, and she also bring out the diminishing family values. The diminishing family values in the society. So, the lesson is not, the title is The Tattered Blanket, that means the torn bedsheet. But the lesson is not about completely about torn bedsheet. But she tried to expose the bitter truths of life. That means the bitter truths of life and the diminishing family values in the society. So, let us learn. That means see students, it is the duty of every parent to take care of the child. It is the responsibility of them to take care of their children, right? So, to take care of their children, every parent do their hard work and wanted to make their children and wanted to place their children in a best position in their future. So it is the responsibility of every parent. But like that, there must be responsibility for every child to take care of their parents after they growing up. But nowadays, all the children are growing up by taking the help of their parents, and when they grew up and they are after starting their earning, they are forgetting their parents. But now our story is related to that point. In this tattered blanket, there are three major characters. The first character is Amma. The first character is Amma. She is an old woman. She is an old woman. She is about 83 years old. She is about 83 years old. And she has two kids, two children. And the first one name is Kamala. And her son name is Gopi. So the major character is Amma. She is an old woman. She is of 83 years old. She has two children, Kamala and Gopi. Kamala is the eldest daughter. She is a widow. Do you know what is a widow means? A widow is a woman who lost her husband. In this lesson, Kamala is a widow. She lost her husband after getting married, and she is living along with her mother Amma in a small village. And her third character Gopi. He is the son of Amma, this woman Amma, and he is well educated and well settled in Delhi. He is working in Delhi. And then he got married with Vimala. And they have 2 kids. So in this lesson, the major Vimala. These two are minor characters. Minor characters means they are not that much important characters. The major and important characters are Amma, Kamala and Gopi. Okay? Let us learn about this story. So in this lesson, Gopi already settled in Delhi. Actually, because of working purpose, office purpose, he comes to Thiruvananthapuram, and after completing his work, he comes to, on his way back to Delhi, he wanted to go to village and wanted to meet his mother and sister after a long time. But so let us continue this lesson tomorrow. Let us see why this Gopi came to this village after so many years ago. Is there any purpose to come there, or he wanted to see their parents, see their mother and Kamala, see his mother and Kamala. Let us learn this story tomorrow. Thank you.